It's a real delight to be here at Securus, standing shoulder to shoulder to Bev and with Chris here, our great partners. This is a really important day for all Australians and a really proud day for AstraZeneca. With the first Australian-made doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine now approved by the TGA as safe and effective and ready to be rolled out to support the government's vaccination strategy. This is a true story of collaboration, both globally and locally, with hundreds of people working behind the scenes, day and night, as Bev said, to make this day possible. It's also a really great example of what modern science can do, and a hugely brilliant illustration of human endeavour. Here today, I'd like to also share that as we speak, tens of millions of people around the world have received at least their first dose of the AstraZeneca vaccine. And the overwhelming evidence, both from clinical trials as well as real-world evidence, shows that the AstraZeneca vaccine is both well tolerated and highly effective at preventing all severities of symptomatic COVID-19, all ethnicities, and all age groups above 18 years. It's so exciting that we have now locally homegrown produced doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine that will be progressively rolled out over the coming weeks to support the government's vaccination strategy and make a real difference to this pandemic. 50 million doses, enough to vaccinate all Australians, will be rolled out now in an accelerated fashion to hospitals, to GP clinics, to respiratory clinics, to Aboriginal healthcare services around the country, and also eventually pharmacists. This is the largest vaccination drive we've ever seen in this country, and probably the most important logistical undertaking we've ever seen in our lives. So our vaccination strategy is built upon humanitarian efforts, and I'm really pleased to share again today our global commitment to broad and equitable access to this vaccine around the world at no profit during the pandemic. We believe at AstraZeneca and CSL as well that no one is safe until we are all safe. So I'm really pleased to be here today. I'm delighted to welcome you all here, and I'd like to particularly thank our partners CSL. They're a great bunch. We didn't know each other a year ago, but now we're the best of friends and really committed we're really committed to this great project. Also, the collaboration with the Australian government has been amazing, and a particular shout out to the Therapeutic Goods Administration, whose tireless efforts over the past months has now proven to Australia that we can have a locally made vaccine that's safe and effective for use here.